There are many benefits to having an FAQ page on your website. It's an easy way to collect common questions and answers that frequently ask your customer. If you are Blogspot user, please go to Edit HTML. Now copy this JSON script, then add it in body tag. Here add your questions. And here add your answers. If you want to make bold your text, then add this HTML tag. And if you want to add link, then add this. If you want to add a list in your answer, that time we add this following HTML tag. Now we check our site in Google Structured Data Testing Tool so that if anything get error, we can easily find and fix. That's it guys, hopefully this video can be useful.